Hey YouTube, what's going on? I hope you're doing okay. Today we have one of the most common recipe in all the world. It's the type of the food that everyone like it. Today we will do the burger with a restaurant style. So watch the video till the end, and if you are new here, please subscribe and turn on the notification to join us. First of all, let's start with the meat. Of course, here I use 1 kilogram of beef meat, and I mix it with 250 gram of lamb fat and 250 gram of lamb meat. I mix it together, and I will use a little bit of salt, and I will add some black pepper, and I will use here some season specifically for the red meat. I will mix it together. If you don't have it, you can use only salt and black pepper, and we mix it together. We don't mix it too much. Of course, if you need the burger to be more thick and more juicy, you can use more fat than what I use here. Like, you can use 500 gram of beef, you mix it with 250 gram of lamb fat and 250 gram of lamb meat. It will be more juicy. And if you want us to try the thin and the very juicy burger, let us know in the comment. We will do it in another video. Then I will use here about 200 to 210 gram of meat for every burger. Of course, you can use more than that. It's depend on you, but I will use about 200 to 210 gram of meat. And we roll the meat into a balls, and we prepare it in the plate. After we prepare the meatballs in another plate, we add some oil for the meat to not stick in the plate, and we start roll out the meatball that we already prepared. But here you need to make the sides thicker than the middle of the meat, because the meat, when it will cook, it will become smaller and the middle side will be thicker than the outside. So you make the sides thicker than the middle, and in a high heat we add some oil to the pan, and we add the meat to it. Basically, we will flip it for one time after 4 to 5 minutes to become like medium rare. If you need it well done, you will make it cook for more than 4 to 5 minutes. After that, I will add the cheddar cheese onto the meat. And then for the bread, I will use here a bread from the market, the normal burger bread. And in a pan, I will add some butter on a low heat, and I will add the bread to it. With this way, the bread will stay fluffy and it will be crunchy at the same time. After that, I will mix my sauce. I will use here ketchup, and I will add to it some mayonnaise, and I will add and a little of mustard, and I will add to it a spicy sauce. You cannot use the spicy sauce, it's depend on you. And I will add some garlic sauce. Then we add the meat directly from the pan onto the bread to release the juice on the bread. Then I will do the sauce to the bread, and I will add 1 slice of salami and some salad and a tomato slice. Of course, you can use another things, but I like it like this. And you are ready to go. A very delicious burger with a restaurant style. I'm sure you will like. So guys, if you liked the video, please hit the like button and leave us a comment below. And if you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to join us, and see you guys in another video.